we're gonna go in with the lace band after you have dried that some around the lace only, not the hair, just the lace. That's why I tie my band around my head like so. Of course, we're going in with the Dola around the edges and everything. It is very silky and soft. We're just gonna get this as flat as we can. Okay, now that we have pressed it some, we're gonna go in with the second melt, Ruby Kisses. Now we're gonna go with go in with the LA Pro concealer and a little small little brush. And